ممكن تساعدني؟ أنا تايه، إزاي أروح؟ ممكن أكلم البوليس؟
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Imagine that you are lost in the streets of Egypt and you want help. What are the phrases that you may need for this? I gathered for you 5 important phrases that you can use right away. But before we start, don't forget to download my free ebook. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Let's go. Our first phrase is أنا تايه or أنا تايهة. أنا تايه, it means I am lost. And I say أنا تايه, a male is speaking, okay? أنا تايه. تايه is the adjective, lost. So أنا تايه, I am lost. The female alternative is أنا تايهة. We add the tight ta here and it becomes, instead of تايه, it becomes تايهة. So say it with me. أنا تايه. أنا تايهة. I am lost. The second one here is فين أقرب محطة مترو. Since we use the subway, okay, we say it is the subway is a metro. We say also metro in Egyptian. Also we say metro الأنفاق. Metro الأنفاق, it means the subway or the tram that goes into tunnels, okay, or in subway. So metro الأنفاق, the tram of the tunnels or the metro of the tunnels. So this means الأنفاق. This is a plural of نفق. So فين أقرب محطة مترو? Where is the nearest station? Where is the nearest metro station? أقرب is nearest. Okay, nearest, comparative. أقرب, from قريب, which is near. Nearest. فين is where. فين is where. And فين أقرب, where is the nearest. محطة is station. محطة, station. محطة metro is tram station or metro station. So the question will be فين أقرب محطة metro. The third one is إزاي أروح. This is a very important question and is I think the most important question of all the phrases that you should learn in spoken Egyptian. إزاي أروح. إزاي, it means how, okay, how, and أروح, it's from the verb يروح, which is to go. So إزاي أروح, أروح is a conjugation with I, أنا أروح. So إزاي أروح, it means where or how can I go, okay, إزاي أروح, how can I go. ممكن تساعدني is also a very important, very essential phrase. ممكن تساعدني or ممكن تساعديني, depending on the gender here. ممكن, it means is it possible, ممكن, and تساعدني, it means to help me, to help me. تساعدني, this is if I'm talking to a male, okay, remember, male and female, they are different, they have different forms, and the spoken Egyptian and Arabic language are gender sensitive, exactly. So تساعدني means to help me. تساعديني, to help me, but when I am talking to a female. So repeat it with me. ممكن تساعدني, can you help me? And also emphasize the عين. تساعدني. Okay, I know it's difficult from the beginning, from the first time, but say it many times and it will get easier. If you have also a friend, an acquaintance, say it with him or with her. They will help you to say it right and to make the pronunciation of it accurate with time. So ممكن تساعدني, can you help me? ممكن تساعديني, can you help me? But when I talk to a female. If you are really lost and you don't get any help and this is the last thing that you can do, then you can say ممكن أكلم البوليس. ممكن أكلم البوليس. So البوليس international. But we don't say it like in English police, but you say it police. Okay? So as if the B is not the P is B. Okay, so عايز أكلم البوليس. So we say in Egyptian police, but we add the alif lam, so it becomes Egyptianized, right? So it becomes Egyptianized, and we say el police instead of el police. El police, which is the police. Okay, so ممكن again here like ممكن تساعدني. Can I? Is it possible? أكلم from the verb يتكلم, to talk. أكلم. ممكن أكلم البوليس. Can I talk to the police? Can I call the police? So say it with me again. ممكن أكلم البوليس. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid, and also don't forget to look at the description box and check for the enrollment of my free course Egyptian Arabic 101, and you can also find the enrollment link in the first comment. And if you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Have a great day and see you in a future episode.